Hello and welcome to a new kind of adventure. Today, we're soaring high above one of New Brunswick's best-kept secrets, Gagnon Beach. Ever wondered what it feels like to soar above Gagnon Beach at the campground? Let's take off and find out.
Why?
Of course, the first launch didn't go as planned. Yep, forgot to press record. But once we were airborne, the view was worth it. From this vantage point, you can truly appreciate the scale of this place, where a family-run campground meets miles of pristine, sandy shoreline. From above, the beach tells a whole new story. Quiet. Endless. Located on the Northumberland Strait, Gagnon Beach has earned a reputation for having some of the warmest waters north of Virginia. This is no exaggeration. The shallow waters and long sunny days turn this bay into a natural heated pool, perfect for swimming and wading. As we begin our descent, you can see the distinctive curve of the coastline and the tidal flats that reveal themselves at low tide. This is the perfect spot for walking, exploring, and just taking in the fresh sea air. But Gagnon Beach is more than just a beach. It's a destination. As we fly over, you can spot the various amenities that make this place so popular. There are playgrounds for the kids, a basketball court, and even a large bouncy pillow. For those seeking some quiet time, there's an adult-only heated pool and a rec hall with a pool and ping pong table. It's a place where there's always something to do, whether you're camping for a weekend or the entire summer. The campground offers a variety of options, from unserviced tent sites to full-service RV spots with electricity, water, and sewer hookups. This makes it accessible for every type of camper, whether you're traveling light or bringing a full-size motorhome. Many of the sites are seasonal, creating a strong sense of community, with families returning year after year. 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, concluding thoughts and call to action. From this final sweeping view, you can see why Gagnon Beach is such a beloved spot for so many. It's a place of natural beauty, warm waters, and a welcoming community. It's a perfect escape from the everyday, offering a mix of relaxation and family adventure. One of the most unique aspects of this beach is its dog-friendly area. You can see the dedicated section where visitors are free to walk their pets, ensuring everyone, including our furry friends, can enjoy this beautiful shoreline. It's a testament to the family-friendly and welcoming atmosphere of this entire resort. From this view, you can see just how clean and expansive the beach is. It's a place for families to build sandcastles, for friends to play volleyball, and for adventurers to walk for miles at low tide. This isn't a small, crowded cove. It's a vast, open space that invites you to relax. Look at the colors, the vibrant green of the trees that line the coast, the soft beige of the sand, and the sparkling blue of the ocean. This is a place where nature's beauty is on full display. From the gentle waves lapping the shore to the breathtaking sunsets you can witness here every evening. bringing it back in. Almost nailed the landing, but the GPS had other plans. We hope this drone tour has inspired you to explore this beautiful corner of New Brunswick for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what other local gems you'd like us to fly over next. Thank you for watching, and happy adventures!